Bobby, if this chorizo is you love it, you really like it. You don't want it? I'm gonna eat all of them. Baby, I'm gonna go toilet, yeah? There's birds. Make sure they don't eat my food, yeah? I'll be back.
It looks very tempting. He won't notice if I have one.
She's eating my bacon, therefore she didn't want it. I'm back. Huh? Oh, that's my food gone. Bird only ate bacon and chorizo. Which bird was it? Which bird was it? The bird's name was Carrie? Angry Carrie? Because she's the angry bird?